Good day, traders. GAKUNA trading. Yes, today we are being presented with our 3-day setup again. Okay, which can be a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Friday, Monday, Tuesday, or a Thursday, Friday, Monday. Now, Monday is day 1, Tuesday is day 2, but Tuesday can be day 2 in a 3-day setup. Okay, also Wednesday can be day 2 in a 3-day setup. Tuesday can be day 1 of a 3-day setup. Now, when the market is out of balance, yesterday I took a buy on GBP Swiss franc. It went out of balance, stayed broken out, pin hammer, and it reversed. Today we are back in balance, and whenever a market is back in balance and stays in balance, you know what time it is. Now, from my ebook, we have 3 levels of 100. Whenever the market presents this movement, we do not need to see 3 higher closes. We do not need 2 higher closes. They are fractal. They may present, they may not present. If it presents itself, good. If it doesn't present itself, good. 3 levels of 100, 3 levels of 50, 3 levels of 25. Everyone has their way of interpreting these movements. This is the general area of movement. They may decide to exceed, they may decide to stay range bound. Now, when the market gets to day 3, the market can only do 3 things: continue the direction of the overall trend, or still reverse against the overall trend. Okay, but we have to look at our daily time frame. So I come to the daily. What's happening on the daily? We're moving up. We're in an uptrend, but the market reversed against the uptrend, like I said. Now, whenever we have these opportunities presented before us, you can see. But also, let's take a look at the screener. What the screener has to say about this opportunity. GBP Swiss franc. Let's see. Okay. Closing breakout number 1. It's a 3-day setup number 2. It's a high of year reversal number 3. We have a new high of year. We have a new high of month. We have a new high of the week in place. If this market closes below the previous close, we have a setup for an FRD if it presents itself. Let's refresh the page a little bit for the screener to be able to run, due to calculations of so many pairs. Not so many actually, but let's see. GBP Swiss franc, a 3-day setup. It also indicated that it's an FGD that was due to the build-up of yesterday, but it's a 3-day setup. At the end of the day, the market presents the 3-day setup. Now, for the ES, now something happened. For those of you who like jumping around to learn different strategies, trying to see how you can mix them up together to make a living for yourself, it is not bad. Learning is not bad, but when you over corrupt your mind with too much information, analysis paralysis comes in. Now, for me as a trader, the only people I have looked at is the people Stacey have mentioned when I met him about 6 years ago, 7 years ago. He mentioned Peter Brandt. I went to Peter Brandt's channel and his Twitter to look at what Peter Brandt does. Peter Brandt is a classical chart artist, to see his pattern of trading and how it can also affect my life, and just like it affected that of Stacey's. Now, I also took a look at Jim Dalton. These are people Stacey mentioned years ago. Jim Dalton market profile, markets that are out of balance, and markets that are in the existing profile, which I studied, and there are so many videos out there which Stacey emphasized on these opportunities. Okay, we also have another Stacey's mentor, to be Krebel, opening range breakout. We have some other guys I can't really mention here unless I go back to his old videos, and Al Brooks. Yes, Al Brooks. Now the lessons from Al Brooks is just the moving average. Now what I did was I went to Jim Dalton, understood properly out of balance markets. I went to Al Brooks and studied the 20 moving average, which Stacey uses on the 5 minute chart for his universal entry criteria. But there are other things Stacey did not tell you guys about the 20 EMA, which you have to go by yourself and purchase Al Brooks course and study for yourself, just like I have done. I'm still studying that, reading price charts bar by bar by the godfather of price action trading, Al Brooks. Now when you look at Al Brooks and understand the 20 EMA, do not confuse yourself with what there's so many things he has out there. Just pick one stuff you can be a master of, subtract it, pick one stuff from Jim, which I did. For me, I have not really mastered classical chart artists, the classical chart patterns, but I can identify ascending triangle, descending triangles. I can identify chart patterns on higher time frames, smaller time frames, and that also can help you identify trends, a market that are about to explode. So on Al Brooks community, they sent a buy signal which got a lot of traders blown out. Maybe it was taken earlier, but for others who were complaining, they were late. But then I remembered what Jim Dalton says: when the market is out of balance, this market is out of balance, they broke out, pulled back to the opening range level, and they stayed broken out. As long as price does not return back inside of this range, it's an opportunity to align ourselves in the direction of that weekly move, either down or up, like we saw at the opposite of the GBP Swiss franc. Okay, now we had other opportunities screaming New Zealand USD 3-day longs, New Zealand CAD 3-day longs, GBP USD 3-day longs, but I didn't take a look at them. But I looked at NZD USD and I went long. Market that broke out of previous days high and still broken out for over how many sessions, break even, but that took me out. Congrats, Jay. Jay is in profit right now on this market. Let's take a look at the GBP Swiss franc before we look at other markets on smaller time frame. Now GBP Swiss franc is a 3-day setup. You know why it's a 3-day setup. Day one, failed breakout, low of week, high of week reversal or continuation opportunity, which presented itself. High of year reversal, high of month reversal. Now this is taking a little bit of time to load up. Let's see what's the problem. Now as you can see, a very good scalp trade. We sold, we pulled back, okay, we sold again, good profit in the market. We've closed out. This market will then evolve to a fresh red deal. Now the NZD USD 3 days of longs, close and breakout. Come on. So we may see a market on NZD USD which may be approaching or maybe trying to take out the previous year high before we can see a proper reversal of that range if it presents itself. So we work with probabilities. What is the probability that this market will reverse? What is the probability? Studying the 20 EMA and Al Brooks, I've learned a lot, which has saved me these new months from a lot of should I say analysis paralysis. Yes, analysis paralysis. Probably just the entry patterns of Al Come on. Apologies, my connections are a bit saggy. All right, guys, just to be very fast, see you guys in the yeah, good. Sorry, I would have closed off there, but don't worry. New Zealand card, 3 days of breakout longs in the market. You can see that reversal. Major red news acted as a catalyst to complete that move. Okay, congrats to traders who took this. Just trying to show you guys the power of the screener. Also, the market, we screen the market and see, look for potential opportunities. NZD USD 3 days of breakout longs. Okay, for me, it's not set up like the NZD card. The NZD card is clean, but this is not yet clean. Maybe we should be looking out for tomorrow, but still 3-day longs, and it closed in breakouts. Let's take a look at other markets that had 3-day longs. Euro card, 3 days of breakouts. This is a well engineered market. You can see pump and dump. Okay, pump and dump template. Pump it up and dump it down. Okay, elevator, escalator, elevator. Okay, pump and dump and pump. So Euro card, pump, dump. What other markets? GBP USD 3-day longs. Did they reverse? I didn't look at that. Wow, this is not the type of market to look out for, bruh. This is fugazi. We call this fugazi, bro. So this is fugazi. Please do not try to trade this market. Well, then the natural gas give an inside day. Do we have okay, an inside day yesterday? A low hanging fruit collapsed the downside. Sorry, my network isn't allowing me to connect properly, but all the same, congratulations, guys. And USD card, out of balance rejection. This is a well engineered chart. This is what Stacey wants us to look out for. Okay, this is high of Asia. Okay, they dumped it, pumped it back to the breakout level and to the opening range low. That is where the most important area or in the market. So pump, and ascending triangle, which failed my entry here. Boom, major red news acted as a catalyst. So already I've been taking out break even. Remember, always move your stops to break even. Congratulations guys, may the markets go with you. The entry model will be updated to the ebook. Do well if you do not have the ebook to purchase and study. 3 levels of rise is 3 higher closes. 3 levels of drop is 3 lower closes. They all align together. May the markets go with you. Thank you.